Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this front door sign with my Cricut. I found this gorgeous kente pattern vinyl from Michaels that I had to use just in time for Juneteenth. The first thing I did was sand the wood before staining. I didn't spend too much time on this part. I just wanted to get some of the nicks out and to get the wood surface a little more smooth. And you don't have to stain. You can choose to paint your wood. It's up to you. If you don't have this tool, you can just get the sandpaper and do this by hand. I'm using this black stain I got a while ago, I think off of Amazon. But just be sure to get some for exterior use. Mine does say interior use, but I do plan on spraying my sign with Mod Podge to protect it. And I think it will be fine since it's going to be sitting under my porch away from rain and direct sunlight. I'm using an old shirt to apply the stain in the direction of the grain, making sure I get the edges good. I'm using the other side of the shirt to wipe off the excess stain. There are pre-stains you can use before the actual stain to achieve a more even stain, but I'm just using what I have on hand. This part is pretty simple. I'm in Design Space and I'm just rearranging the letters. I swapped the O for an Africa outline. I'm going to select all my letters and increase the font size. And I did go back and increase the size for individual letters like the E's and the L. Once I have my letters cut and weeded, I'm spacing the letters about an inch apart and getting them lined up as best as possible. I struggled a little bit with this part. I started out using my heat press at 305. Using light pressure for 10 seconds. But some spots did not get enough heat, and I think it was because the wood wasn't a completely flat surface. So I had to keep going over the W a few more times in 10-second intervals, and I finally got it to stick. So for the next letter, I tried with my mini press and applied heat with light pressure in small sections at a time for 5 seconds each. And this worked a lot better than the bigger heat press. Once I peeled the plastic off, I did need to go over some spots again using my heat press in 2 to 3 second intervals. Now I'm taking some greenery. I got this at Walmart, cutting each piece off and spreading that at the top of the board. Once I like how it looks, I'm going to staple it down to the board. Then I'm going to hot glue the bow right on top of the greenery. Then I'm going to staple the bow down to the board for extra security. And to be honest, bows are my weakness. So I had to watch a tutorial from Julie's Wreath Boutique to make this bow. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafting videos. Thank you so much for watching.